Welcome back, everyone, to Loving Living Local. Well, Ketamine Colorado Springs is pioneering the use of ketamine infusion therapy to treat mental health conditions. Now, we're talking depression and even PTSD. Well, here this morning to tell us more are doctors Jeff and Jana. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Well, very happy to have you this morning in studio because you guys are truly making a big difference in so many patients' lives, and that is huge. Let's first talk about ketamine. What is it?
So ketamine is a drug that's been around since the 60s. It was first synthesized in a lab. It gained a lot of popularity in the 70s during the Vietnam War because it's very stable and provides a good level of anesthesia. In the early 2010-ish, there's some studies came out that showed that it could help with PTSD and depression.
Okay.
And we give a lower dose than you would. It's not like you're going to be zonked like in the operating room. But what that does, it works two ways. One, during your infusion, you kind of disconnect and disassociate a little bit. For people who have trauma, that can be very, very valuable. Right. And then it also works on the structures of your brain, like remolding or kind of redesigning kind of the way your brain is, because a lot of times with PTSD and depression, you have some damage that's there.
Absolutely. Well, here is the important part. It's been working.
Oh, yeah.
And it does wonders for a lot of these patients. How has it helped?
I take that one, or we do it?
So it really helps patients get their lives back, so they can kind of reset their mind and their lives and go to a place that is where they've been just wanting to be their whole life. So it's an alternative therapy. So we use it in conjunction with mental health treatment, a practitioner, provider, therapist. So we don't practice in a bubble. And that's the wonderful thing about our clinic, is that we're co-located with a family care center.
That's wonderful. All right, let's talk about Ketamine Colorado Springs, who you guys are, and what makes you different from anybody else out there.
That is an excellent question. So first and foremost, it's veteran-owned. Dr. Jana and myself both served over 20 years in the military, multiple combat tours between the two of us. So we really feel like we have a real connection to the community, not just the soldiers, but their spouses. And we're not only treating veterans, but we kind of pride ourselves upon that. And when people come in and they have different problems from the military, we can be like, I've been there. I've been in Kuwait. I've been in Iraq. I've been in Syria. I was there 3 years ago. Like, so it really kind of lets people open up and be like, oh, these people really do understand where I'm coming from.
Absolutely. Well, first off, thank you for your service. You're right when you say that. And here on Living Local, we truly care about our veterans and everything that they've done for our country. And that already makes you guys so much different because they can connect with you and you kind of know what they are going through. For somebody watching this morning saying, this is exactly what I need, how can they learn more and make an appointment? That's
a great question. If you just Google Ketamine Colorado Springs, you'll see a picture of our website with me and Dr. Jana on it. Also our number, 719-464-6752. And then we have a Facebook and Instagram, and I sent all those links, so those are all available.
So they can also look you up, and they're up right now on our social media. Doctor, what is the process like when somebody comes in for the first time for the ketamine treatment?
Well, we do a free consultation, so we need to make sure that there aren't any contraindications to having the treatment. And then an infusion, it lasts about 40 minutes for regular depression, PTSD treatment. We place an IV, we have a blood pressure cuff, we monitor vital signs, pulse oximeter, respirations, and then we put the medicine in an infusion pump. So it's closely monitored and infused consistently over time.
Well, it sounds like it is definitely one of the best treatments out there. Thank you both for coming in this morning and sharing that with us. Look, you don't have to live with PTSD or depression. Come see Dr. Jeff and Jana and check this out because it truly is working. For more information, go online to ketamineCoSprings.com for more. This segment has been sponsored by Ketamine Colorado Springs this morning. All right,